It is with great excitement that we host Colm O Brien in this session. Colm O Brien is a seasoned entrepreneur with a rich tapestry of experiences, from the failure of his €1 million Café business to the success of founding a thriving school meals enterprise. Despite his early setback, Colm's journey took a remarkable turn when a chance encounter led to the creation of an 8-figure business, generating over €100 million in sales since 2003 and employing more than 200 people. Before venturing into entrepreneurship, Colm spent 20 years in various roles, including a notable tenure as general manager of Bewley's Café in Dublin. Today, Colm runs his school meals business with his wife, Aideen, and shares his wisdom on life and business through his podcast and YouTube channels. As an anti-hustle advocate, he emphasizes the importance of balancing life and work. Colm is also an engaging public speaker, offering authentic insights drawn from his vast experience. At 60, he continues to inspire with his reflections on life's lessons, urging others to live deliberately and aim for long-term fulfillment. Ladies and gentlemen, join us as we welcome Colm O Brien to the Taysey Executive Leadership Bootcamp.